Scan for SOVI and straight A's only. Let's go!
Statistics problems involving constant shifts are actually super simple if you know the secret, so let us break down this tricky question in under 60 seconds. The radar measures speeds as x minus 4. Adding or subtracting a constant to every data point shifts the entire distribution, but it does not change the spread of the data. Measures of spread like range, variance, standard deviation, and interquartile range are based on differences between values. Since the constant cancels out in subtraction, these four statistics remain exactly the same. The median is a measure of center. When you shift every data point by 4, the center of the distribution shifts by that same amount, resulting in a different value. Smart move. Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Don't confuse spread with center. Remember that center shifts while the spread always stays constant.